Gautama Buddha, a spiritual teacher who renounced the life of luxury and decided to live the life of a hermit in order to find the answers about life. Buddha was an enlightened being, and his teachings spread across the world through his disciples, who called themselves Buddhists. Buddha was also a philosopher who not only talked about the purpose, meaning of life, desires, love, and suffering, but also on trust. In this video, you will find most inspiring Buddha quotes on trust. Let's begin. Health is the best gift, contentment the best wealth, trust the best kinsman, Nirvana the greatest joy. Drink the nectar of the Dharma in the depths of meditation, and become free from fear and sin. Don't trust people whose feelings change with time. Trust people whose feelings remain the same even when the time changes. Without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. Without trust, there's no reason to continue. Don't trust the people who tell you other people's secrets. Money is the worst discovery of human life, but it is the most trusted material to test human nature. Everything happens for a reason. Don't question it, trust it. Life is about balance. Be kind, but don't let people abuse you. Trust, but don't get deceived. Be content, but never stop improving yourself. Trust is earned, respect is given, and loyalty is demonstrated. Betrayal of any one of those is to lose all three. Don't trust too much. Don't love too much, because that too much can hurt you so much. Don't trust everything you see, because even the salt looks like sugar. Love all, trust few. Everything's real, but not everyone's true. Words better than I love you, or I trust you. Love is nothing without action. Trust is nothing without proof. And sorry is nothing without change.